puti ka in 7 days. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. White Rose Papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, White Rose Papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Tatak RMN.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Our land bank, and we are here for you. We are land bank, helping make your dreams come true. Dreams come true. We start with a brand new world, a world for me and for you. Land bank, serving the nation.
Serving the nation for 60 years, Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, member PDIC and BancNet.
Laging matablay, laging kulang sa energy, at madaling magkasakit. Baka naman ang suplemento na iniinom mo walang epekto. Dito ka na sa subok na at aprobado ng mga eksperto. Sanfon Plus Gold. Ngayon, mas pinalakas pa, pinagaling, pinahusay. Sanfon Plus Gold. Pinaghalong mangustin, ampalaya, garlic, malunggay, at spirulina. Sa Sanfon Plus Gold, di ka basta-basta bibigay. Tuloy lang ang laban sa buhay. Sanfon Plus Gold.
Mabibili sa mga malapit butika sa inyong lugar.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Ma, awan ako.
Una na puguhan.
Murag na ayata mo'y nakalimtan.
Kiss?
Baon na ako?
Dili! Ang inyong vitamin C!
Magbaon og extra depensa para adunay laban sa sakit. Mag Gen C Vitamin C. Ang Gen C Vitamin C kay pwedeng makatabang aron pakusgon ang resistensya dungan sa tamang pagkaon o ehersisyo. Protektado ang immunity.
Di nakalimtan sa sunod, ha?
Oo, ma.
Siyempre yan.
Ya, akong duga nga baon, ma.
Ascorbic acid is the generic name of Gen C Vitamin C. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Ayaw kalimti ang inyong vitamin C adlaw-adlaw. Pakusgon ang resistensya batok sa sakit. Kauban ang Gen C Vitamin C. Mapalit sa mga nagunang butika sa nasod.
Kung padungit man siya, hello bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan, bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Kung padungit man siya, hello bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang common and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS. Boom, papaya, White Rose Papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. White Rose Papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, White Rose Papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Donnie Pangilinan here with Anthony. Dad, what's your love language? Connecting eye to eye. Eh pag lumabo mata, EO!
EO Executive Optical, expert eye care, state-of-the-art facilities.
Eye to eye, you mean titig-kilig? Yun! EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes, guys!
Hi, I'm Lynn Cruz, a businesswoman and happy wife of Tirsa Cruz III. Raising my kids with the to Christian teachings is my joy. I got to know MX3 through my mom. Ni-research ko talagang mabuti ito. Since then, I always make sure I have it in my bag. Taking MX3 capsules with my healthy diet and workout, I'm able to cope well with life's challenges. With God by my side and MX3 in my life, I am prepared to face whatever the future brings.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tunay, natural, at original. Tatak RMN. Maskin donde, hasta cuando. Tatak RMN.